Hello everyone, salams! Thanks for joining me for another Eats Meets West recipe. Today I'm making some star quality air-fried Parmesan truffle fries with a slight twist. These go great with my double kebab smash burgers. Check out that recipe when you get a chance. These fries come together pretty quickly. First, air fry shoestring french fries. These are the best type to use because they get crispy faster. I set my air fryer to 380 degrees for 15 minutes. Turn them halfway through so all sides get crispy. While the fries are cooking, prep your ingredients. You need salt, any kind, pepper, the medium coarse ground kind is the most impactful, Parmesan cheese, 1 or 2 bird's eye green chilies, or substitute for a less spicy type like a serrano or a jalapeno. You can remove the ribs and seeds to bring down the heat level, and while these can be optional, they are a game changer and my twist to this recipe. They brighten up the fries and pair well with the other flavor components. For fresh herbiness, use flat leaf parsley and of course, the star ingredient, white truffle oil. Truffles are a type of gourmet mushroom with unmatched umami flavor. White truffle oil is the most aromatic, and a little goes a long way. You can find this at most grocery stores. Prep by shredding fresh Parmesan cheese. Don't use the canned stuff or the pre-shredded kind. Fresh adds the best soft texture so the warm fries can slightly melt the cheese. Then slice the chilies into thin rings and chop the parsley. I use kitchen shears for ease. Once the fries are done, add the salt, pepper, green chilies, and drizzle a couple of tablespoons of truffle oil. Lightly toss to coat and add some cheese. Toss again to distribute the cheese and top with as much Parmesan and parsley as you want. That's it! Like all fries, these are best enjoyed as soon as you make them. And trust me, these don't hang around for long. For more fun fusion recipes, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. With salams!